Welcome back to another video with Kids Art Lab, and what are we painting today?
We are going to be painting a ladybug, I think.
Yes.
What do you think about that?
Yes. What colors do we need to paint a ladybug?
I'd say red, of course,
Yeah.
black, brown, green, and a little bit of white, maybe.
Let's get started.
Let's get started. All right, ladybug. So first off, we're going to draw the shell, but it's actually wings, but it kind of looks like a shell. So we're going to start right around here. And we don't want to go too far down here because we're going to make the ladybug standing on a branch. So we don't want to go all the way down. Okay? And then we're going to come back. And right about here, we're going to go up and meet up with this first line that we made. Very good. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to come down here to about like that. And then this is going to be kind of like a little bit of a cheek. Good. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to come all the way down and finish. But before we do that, we want to put some legs on. So we're going to get right around here and we're going to stop. Good.
There?
Yep, that works. And then what we're going to do is this is going to be a front leg, which is the one we're seeing from this side. So we go like this. They have little tiny legs. Good. And you can put them as far apart or as close together as you want. Another one right here. Good. And then I'm going to do one more that's kind of almost under the shell. Like that. Perfect. Yep, and I'm going to do that too. Okay, now we're going to put another couple legs on this side. These are the ones that are on the other side of the body. They're going to be pretty close together. So I think they have 6 in total.
Yep.
Perfect. Good. Now let's work on the branch. So we're going to make a branch. Now you can kind of do whatever you want with this, but for me, I'm going to go like this and like this. And this is going to be the top part. So this is going to be this way. I'm going to put just a little bit of wave in it just to give it more of a natural look. And I'm going to go behind all of these legs because I want it to look like the ladybug is standing on the branch. See how I went behind all of them?
Yes.
Good, just like you did. Okay, and then we're going to come back this way. And then I'm going to do like a broken branch right here. Something like that. And then this. Again. Maybe I'll do another broken branch right here. Good. Yes. I like yours, how you're just kind of doing whatever you want. That's awesome. Okay, and then we'll go like this, kind of like you did. And I'm gonna bring mine off the canvas like you did too. Okay, and then what I think we could do is I'm gonna put a leaf right here.
Big leaf.
Like this. Good. And then I'm going to bring mine behind my ladybug. And I have to kind of imagine where it's going to come out. So for me, it's going to come out right here. And then I'm going to come all the way back down to where it started. Nice. Very good. Okay, let's work on our ladybug just a little bit more. And they have these spots. You can do as many or as little as you want. I'm gonna probably do around, I don't know, maybe like 5. There's 2. We just want to keep them on the shell. 3, 4, and maybe one's like kind of like a half one. I'm gonna do a half one right here too. Ooh, I like it. Okay, and now let's do some little antennas. They don't have long ones, so we'll do a short one here. Okay, and another one right here.
Bananas.
Okay, and lastly, we are going to make kind of, this is where the head is. Now, when we color this, this will make a little bit more sense. But for right now, we're gonna leave it like that.
Now it's time to fast forward and bring our ladybug to life.
Yes.
Yeah. And we are back from passporting and we colored our ladybug. What colors did we use?
Great question. So we took some red to make some pink. So we took red and white to make some light pink to make different colored shells and like the cheek and the tongue. And then Coral used some green and white to make her leaf a little bit lighter than mine because I just used a regular green. I think they look great. What else do we have to do?
What else do we have to do?
We have to sign our picture. Well, we want to thank you again for joining us for another creation with Kids Art Lab.
I hope you had fun painting your ladybug and we hope to see you next time.
Bye-bye for now.